Let's learn ABC phonics.
A for apple, B is for ball, ball. C is for candy, candy. D is for drum, drum. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox. G is for guitar, guitar. H is for helicopter, helicopter. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, the nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for quill, quill. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for swan, swan. T is for tortoise, tortoise. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for volley, volley. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra.